Have you ever opened your banking app, looked at it, closed it, and then 5 minutes later opened it again in hopes that something changed? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. The truth is, most people think losing control of their money means they're irresponsible, and it usually doesn't. It just means you don't have clarity. Today I'm going to share 5 signs that you may not have control over your money yet, and what you can do about it. Hi, I'm Andrea with Debt to Dreams Financial Coaching, where I help people replace financial stress with control, clarity, and confidence. Let's jump into the 5 biggest warning signs. Sign number 1, you're constantly checking your bank account. Do you check your balance every day, maybe several times a day? You're not checking because you're excited. You're checking because you're anxious. You're checking because you're worried. You're asking yourself, did that payment come out? Do I have enough money for groceries? Did I forget something? Checking your account isn't the problem. Checking it because you're anxious is. When you have a plan, you already know what's available to spend. You don't have to keep guessing. Sign number 2, you're living paycheck to paycheck. This doesn't always mean you're broke. There are people that make 6 figures that are still living paycheck to paycheck. It means every paycheck is already spoken for before it even arrives. One unexpected expense, one higher than normal utility bill, one car repair, and suddenly it feels like everything is falling apart. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't always an income problem. Sometimes it's a tracking issue. Sign number 3, you avoid looking at your bills. Have you ever left bills unopened, ignored emails from your bank, or put off logging into your credit card because you just don't want to know? You're not lazy, you're overwhelmed. Avoiding the numbers feels easier in the moment, but unfortunately, the stress does not go away. It usually grows. Sign number 4, you hope everything clears. Maybe you've thought, I think I have enough. I hope that payment doesn't come out until Friday. I hope I remember everything. Hope is not a financial plan. When you're hoping instead of knowing, every financial purchase is stressful. The goal isn't to memorize every purchase. The goal is to have a system that tells you exactly what's happening. Sign number 5, every day feels stressful. Payday is supposed to be a good day. It's the day you finally get to exhale. But for a lot of people, it's the opposite. The money lands, but instead of relief, there's this quiet dread. Okay, what do I need to move right now? What's about to come out? Did I already spend this in my head? You're excited and anxious in the same 5 minutes. That's not normal, but it's incredibly common. And it's not because you're bad with managing money. It's because payday without a plan is just a reset button. The stress doesn't go away. It just restarts every 2 weeks. If you recognize yourself in one or maybe all 5 of these signs, please know something. You are not bad with money. You are not failing. You just haven't been shown a system that clearly shows you where your money is going. And here's the encouraging part. That can change. Once you understand exactly where your money is going, making financial decisions is a lot easier. You stop guessing, you stop worrying, and you start feeling like you're in control again. Remember that banking app you keep opening and closing, hoping that the number will change? That loop is exactly what my Money Clarity Workbook is designed to break. It's free and it's designed to walk you through the first steps of finally seeing exactly where your money is going. So you're not guessing anymore. You're simply making decisions with confidence. You can grab it using the link in the description below. And if this video felt like it was speaking directly to you, do me a favor and like it and subscribe while you're at it. I post a new video every week to help make money feel less overwhelming and more manageable. I'll see you in the next video.